I've had people ask me, well, what is it like being a woman in this field where you look at bloody pictures and you see dead babies and know that the person sitting next to you cut somebody's head off and put it on a stake or killed a child. And basically it's the same question that all lawyers are asked. How can you defend somebody who you know is guilty? What kind of person are you? How can you do that? And my answer is because that's my right, and that's his right to have a lawyer represent him to make sure that if the state does something to a person, that they do it in the right way and they do it legally. And the question then becomes, well, how do you defend him if you know he's guilty? How do you defend him? Because it doesn't make any difference to me whether he's guilty or not guilty, other than obviously your strategy and your tactics are different. But if somebody tells me, yeah, I robbed that bank, or yeah, I killed that baby and chopped it up in little pieces and fed it to the dogs, something terrible like that, I do want to know. I used to say I didn't care, but I guess actually, you do care, because you have to know what evidence the state has got, and you have to know how to rebut it and how to explain away certain things. And if you don't know the truth of your client's circumstances, then it's hard to do that. So from that standpoint, most people don't understand that explanation. They don't understand all these constitutional reasons that I give. But I do believe in it, and I do believe that the finest document we have ever had on this planet is our United States Constitution. And I really don't like people jacking around with it. I like the way it is right now, and I want it to stay that way. But I want our rights to stay the same. I want them to leave the search and seizure issue alone. I like the cases that have been handed down by the Supreme Court recently about the demands that they have placed on lawyers, that we have to be good lawyers now. We can't be sleeping lawyers or lackadaisical lawyers. We have to be good, hard-working lawyers if we're going to defend people who could possibly lose their life, and that's the way it should be.